EOS R5, the first full-frame mirrorless camera from Canon to carry the iconic 5 series name. Loved by professionals and enthusiast photographers and known throughout the years as the camera which extended the boundaries of what's possible. So what makes this new EOS R5 worthy of the 5 series name? Let's take a look at some of the top new innovations which sets this camera apart from the competition. EOS R5 is Canon's first interchangeable lens digital camera with 8K movies. 8K video offers 4 times the resolution of 4K footage, giving a wide range of greater flexibility in post-processing with the ability to crop into frame while still maintaining 4K resolution. You can also capture approximately 33 megapixel still images from 8K video footage, which opens up a whole new world of shooting possibilities. But when it comes to the video features of the R5, 8K is just the start. Dual pixel CMOS AF, Canon's most advanced autofocus system, is available in every 8K recording mode, meaning that not only do you get the huge amount of video resolution, but you also get advanced tracking and subject recognition. You can even get eye detect autofocus while shooting in 8K movie. 8K footage also uses the full width of the sensor, meaning that there's no crop in the footage, so your wide-angle lenses remain wide-angle. If you want to slow things down a little bit, the R5 can record in 4K at 120p. This gives you smooth cinematic slow motion footage, and dual pixel CMOS AF works in this mode also. On the other hand, if you want to speed things up, the R5 can shoot and process 8K, 4K or full HD time-lapse. Or if you want to control the time-lapse post-production yourself, it also features a built-in intervalometer timer. If you're using the R5 with your other Canon cameras, especially the Cinema EOS range, then you'll be happy to know that Canon LOG is included for easy color matching in post-production. EOS R5 and EOS R6 are the first cameras from Canon to include 5-axis in-body image stabilization. This means that you can now get the benefits of image stabilization even on lenses when you don't have IS built in. If you're one of the lucky photographers to have the RF 28 to 70mm lens in your kit, for the first time ever, you'll be able to enjoy image stabilization when paired with the new EOS R5. When combined with selected Canon RF lenses, IBIS works in tandem with lens-based image stabilizer to deliver coordinated control and reduce camera shake blur. Put simply, the combination of the EOS R5 or R6 with the RF 24 to 105 f4 IS USM lens delivers the world's best image stabilization at approximately 8 shutter speed stops. This means that at this maximum level of stabilization, a shot with a shutter speed of approximately 2 seconds is just as sharp as if it was taken at around 1/100th to 1/25th of a second. EOS R5 and EOS R6 both include Canon's new dual pixel CMOS AF Mark II autofocus system. Dual pixel CMOS AF was first introduced in 2013 with the EOS 70D and progressed massively since then, with the new features that are added to the original system. So with the scale of innovation and advancements to the built-in EOS R5 and EOS R6 autofocus system versus the previous models, Canon has adapted the dual pixel CMOS AF Mark II naming for the very first time. So let's look at some of the new features. Up to 100% frame coverage, meaning that you can track subjects from every corner of the frame. This is the first camera from Canon to offer the complete 100% frame coverage. In total, there are up to 1,053 autofocus zones, which the camera can select automatically. Or if you want to choose the focus point yourself, there are up to 5,940 user selectable AF point positions. When paired with the RF 24 to 105 f4 L series IS USM, the EOS R5 can achieve autofocus in just 0.05 seconds, making autofocus with this combination one of the fastest in the world for full frame cameras. And with the EOS R5, you can shoot continuously at up to 20 frames per second, whilst maintaining full autofocus and auto exposure tracking, perfect for capturing the action. Autofocus tracking has become a huge feature in recent years, and the EOS R5 is one of the most advanced cameras on the market, offering AF tracking of human subjects with eye, face, and head detect. If you're photographing animals such as dogs, cats, birds, you also get eye, face, and whole body detect, which is perfect for locking onto subjects that don't always sit still or face the camera. Finally, when it comes to autofocus, the EOS R5 supports aperture settings as wide as f/22. This is really important when you want to shoot with telephoto lenses using teleconverters such as the new RF 1.4 times and RF 2 times teleconverters, which have just been announced. EOS R5 is the ultimate hybrid with incredible stills and video performance, fast shooting speeds, and advanced autofocus. This offers the flexibility to shoot a huge variety of subjects, from weddings and commercial, portraits to landscapes, sports, wildlife, and a full range of motion productions. The new 45 megapixel full frame Canon CMOS sensor offers amazing resolution for large prints and the flexibility to crop into your images. Not only is there a new CMOS sensor, the R5 also features the new DIGIC X image processor, which first appeared in the EOS 1DX Mark III just a few months ago. This processor is the key to unlocking many of the amazing new features that have never been seen before. When it comes to the speed, the EOS R5 can shoot continuously at 20 frames per second with an electronic shutter, or 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. The electronic shutter is great for situations where you need to shoot quietly without distracting your subject, such as a press conference or at a golf game. Another feature new to the 5 series is the ability to shoot HEIF files. HEIF stands for High Efficiency Image File Format, and it delivers a 10-bit compressed image file, which is much higher quality and better color reproduction than the traditional 8-bit JPEG file. Due to more efficient compression, HEIF files are roughly the same file size as their equivalent JPEG files, but you get the benefit of better image quality. Of course, if you want to shoot in JPEG or RAW, the EOS R5 can do that too. There are some incredible leaps in innovation contained inside the R5, but some things are just better kept the way they are. As soon as you pick it up, it feels comfortable and familiar to the EOS 5 series shooters. It's just got that familiar, intuitive design and layout. Looking around the body, there's a door hiding the dual card slots. One is a CF Express card to power some of the more advanced features like the 8K recording, and the other is an SD card, which is easy compatibility for previous models. On the back of the camera, we've got a multi-control AF joystick and the rear scroll wheel for familiar and intuitive control. This electronic viewfinder is just beautiful. It's nice and large at 0.5 inches, and with an OLED screen that's 5.76 megapixels in resolution, I can see all the details in the frame. Something else hidden in here are the purpose-built EVF optics that Canon designed to make using the EVF much more enjoyable. Also on the back, we have something new for the EOS 5 series. The R5 is the first 5 series camera to include a Vari-angle LCD screen, which is great for shooting at different angles and also for packing away safely in your camera bag at the end of the day. Finally, at the bottom of the camera, we have the new LPE6NH battery, which is longer life than the current LPE6N battery. There's great news though, all of your old LPE6 batteries will still work in the R5, they just won't last as long as the new battery. So that's a run through of the features of our new EOS R5. If you're keen to get your hands on this new camera, then take a look at our Canon Collective events page and keep an eye out for an event near you. Or pop into your local camera store. Thanks for watching.